Steve Jobs, he got his old Birkenstocks are sold for $218,750. Those are some worked in Birkenstocks.
You can smell them.
It's like the cork, the footbed. It's beginning to collapse over there, and the foot has basically like etched itself in there.
Yeah.
I don't know how you authenticate something like this. Look at the straps. I mean, it's so worn down. Now, you knew he loved the Birkenstock. I don't mind wearing the Birkenstock. I think I actually might have the same color.
Okay.
It's very similar to something I have, which is tobacco color. However, I don't know what this looked like originally. His looks more like the suede kind of on the exterior, as opposed to the oiled leather, which is kind of what they're doing a lot of now. But anyway, he was famous for wearing these all the time.
Yeah.
So these went on sale. I guess it was an auction. You're gonna get the Birkenstocks and an NFT of them because it's 2022.
Of course, yeah.
The shoes, which were expected to sell for $80,000, blew away all expectations. Brown suede sandals in question, made by Birkenstock. There are many photos of Jobs in Birkenstock similar to these from the 70s and 80s, but the full provenance of the main item in the auction is hazy. Oh, that's what I was saying. I'm like, man, it's a pair of how do you authenticate? Who gave it to you? According to Julian's Auctions, Jobs gave the sandals to his house manager, Mark Sheff, but Julian's Auctions didn't confirm that it was Sheff who listed this particular lot. The sandals were part of his simple side. They were his uniform. Jobs' daughter, Chrisanne Brennan, said in an interview in 2018 about Birkenstocks that Jobs wore, the great thing about a uniform is that you don't have to worry about what to wear in the morning. Well, it seems a little bit risky, but somebody in the top comment there says, probably has some of Jobs' DNA on it. Whoa. So maybe you would think there'd be a way to authenticate it. I'm just saying, if you wore it that much and it's worked in like that, and whoever paid $218,000, I hope, knows of a way to authenticate such things.
Do you think they're going to wear it?
No, you're not wearing that. You put that in a glass case or something, I guess. Okay. I guess, Will. Collectibles.
Yeah.
NFTs.
Well, congrats.
Congrats to the anonymous bidder that won this. Oh, by the way, it is a brown suede leather Birkenstock Arizona. That's what they're labeling as the model. And listen, this guy could have had a new pair every day, but one thing about Birkenstocks is they get better as you wear them. They begin to really break into your own unique shape. It is funny seeing such a beat-up sandal in a Pelican-style case for shipping. Yeah. Like, no, we're going to protect this. It's like, who would even know? They're so beat up at this point. Yeah. Anyway,